Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign, this is June. Weekly reading, this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini 8 sign. Gemini, what are the messages for you? Wow. Queen of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. A Knight of Wands and Four of Cups and Six of Pentacles. Someone is coming towards you. For some it could be a new person, for some it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. But this person have a lot of passion towards you. Knight of Wands energy. Yeah, a lot of passion. And you are feeling missed opportunity with someone. And for some in relationship, in your current relationship or past, maybe there is no equal give and take, but someone is returning. If you, for some it could be a past person, someone is returning. For some it could be a new person, someone is coming towards you. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Swords and Ace of Pentacles. Everything is about money. Gemini, you more concentrating on your career. You want financial stability. You are working hard towards your goals. Especially in relationship wise, I am seeing that there is no clarity. You want clarity and you want stability. Yes, and you are very sharing and caring person, Gemini. Then present 10 of Cups, 8 of Cups and Queen of Cups. You are very caring and sharing person, very nurturing person. And Queen of Cups, you have a lot of emotions for your person and you want 10 of Cups happiness. Here 8 of Cups, someone is walked away or willing to walk away from this connection. Or the other case is maybe you want to leave behind everything that is like disputes, fightings, whatever happened between you and your person. You want to leave behind everything and want to continue with your person. Yes, you want your person back. Two cases here. One case is want to walk away, and other case want to leave behind negative things and you want your person back and you want to continue with your person if you are in relationship with that person. Then future, Two of Wands, the Star and King of Pentacles. So you are thinking about someone or something a lot. There is some positive shift is coming because the Star card and King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. You are equal at every level. You are very powerful couple. For some, you are both are career oriented couple. And King of Pentacles is here. Someone is coming to offer stability. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Aquarius. So Gemini, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Queen of Cups. They do love you and they are listening to their higher self and they are listening to their intuition. So let's see their current feelings. Judgment, Page of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, and let's see their intentions also, then I will explain. Okay. Wow. Five of Wands and Six of Cups. Maybe right now there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. Unnecessary drama, unnecessary things. So Six of Cups. But you both have strong soulmate connection. Especially your person thinking about you a lot. They're thinking about marriage. They're thinking about commitment. And Ten of Wands. Right now they're feeling overburdened. Maybe their emotions are running high. So let's see their current feelings. Judgment, Page of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. They are going to be make some major decision regarding this relationship in the month of June. And Page of Pentacles, for some children's also involved in this connection, and if they hurt you, they want to say apology, they want to text you, they're thinking about to communicate with you, and they do love you. They have strong emotions. I think you both have strong emotions for each other. Then intentions, 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles and Queen of Wands. This time your person is very serious about your Gemini. They want to take this relationship to next level, because 8 of Pentacles is seriousness, want to work on this relationship. Again, it is slow moving but stable. And 10 of Pentacles, they want to offer stability, because 10 of Pentacles is stability about marriage. And Queen of Wands, maybe your person is aggressive, dominative in nature, and angry, but this time they're very serious about you. They want to take this relationship to next level. If you are already married with this person, if you are not married, they want to marry you. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Okay. Knight of Cups. Six of Swords and the Tower and Four of Wands. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. Knight of Cups, this person have romantic feelings for you. And Six of Swords. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. You are very honest in this connection. You are very straightforward in nature, Gemini. And for some, if you are in separation with this person, you are going through Tower moment, and they also, because under the deck, the Tower. Definitely both are on the same page, having strong emotions for each other. But for some, there are some trust issues also. Seven of Swords under the deck. Maybe someone is sneaking this connection. It depends because everyone's situation is different. Maybe they are saying one thing and doing other things, especially about marriage and commitment. So let's see mutual. For some family be families issue involved. Maybe families are not accepting your love. It could be anything. So let's see. Mutual. Yeah, Devil and High Priestess, Six of Pentacles. You both are listening to your inner self or intuition. Definitely both are obsessed with each other. Maybe one person is heavily obsessed. For some, you both are addicted to each other also. Six of Pentacles. I think in past there is no equal give and take in this connection. In future, it will come. But there is a lot of obsession. You both are addicted to each other, what I'm getting here. Because you both are mirroring. Almost same feelings you both have for each other throughout the reading. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. Cards are just flying. I have too much going on my life. You are the only one for me. Twin Flames. I want you back. I will never forget you. So the messages are, I have too much going on my life. You are the only one for me. Twin Flames, I want you back. I will never forget you. Separation. For some, you both are in separation right now. Under the deck, a new romantic cycle begins. So let's see. Especially new moon in Libra. Some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Expect powerful change, new moon, eclipse, and show the world the real you, full moon in Aquarius. So there is some powerful change is coming, especially in your relationship or in your life, and show the world the real you. Don't hide your emotions or feelings. Share with your loved ones. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.